Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Surge. Surge means sudden powerful forward or upward movement. For example, flooding caused by tidal surges. Flooding caused by tidal surges. Synonyms: gush, rush, outpouring.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. Grace and Mark entered with the surge of the crowd. Now, repeat after me. Grace and Mark entered with the surge of the crowd. The second exempli. Then there is a surge as the crowd changes direction. Now, repeat after me. Then there is a surge as the crowd changes direction. The third exempli. During the hurricane, the one-story bar was swamped by the tidal surge. Now, repeat after me. During the hurricane, the one-story bar was swamped by the tidal surge.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The shortest complete sentence in English is the following. I am.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.